Stock idea for the week, Ondas Holdings, ONDS. This is a $3.5 billion market cap company. They play in the communications network side of things. They are known for that, but they also play in the defense side of things when it comes to autonomous drone net technology and basically the communication of how drones communicate with the home base. Well, they've exploded from around $1, looks to open up at 10.21 or so today. Why is this so interesting? Number one, potential conflict or war with Russia and Europe, NATO, that kind of thing. We've seen drone technology when it comes to warfare just really accelerate in the Russia-Ukraine war. Ukraine is using a lot of this and it's having an effect, and quite honestly, it's probably keeping this war ongoing. So ONDS is the stock symbol. Revenues look to triple in 2026, which is gigantic. Struck a number of contracts with Europe in their defense technology. Could be a 100% return kind of thing over the next 12 months, if not sooner. It is on the move. Be careful, it's a beta 2 stock, so double the risk of the S&P 500. Beta is measured in 1, 2. S&P is 1. Ondas Holdings is 2. So you could get your face ripped off real quick, or you could pay for your kids' college education or pay the house off with it. Don't allocate more than, say, 8% of your asset allocation. It's not a recommendation or advice. Sorry, the dog's moving me around. But this is one that I put on the 2026 Platinum Tribe picks. That's my pick. I swapped out high yield debt, HYG, for this because I think this has an incredible opportunity. Plus, I think warfare is going the way of drones and autonomous drone technology. It's sort of like nuclear weapons. Once everybody's got it, nobody's going to pull the trigger because they know what truly could happen. So I see this technology, AI technology, bleeding into the defense world. I see this as a great opportunity. ONDS, it's not a recommendation or advice. This is my idea. Do your home due diligence. I will be putting out a research report. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Seems walking is becoming a breathtaking event for me. Got to fix that in 2026. Anyhow, that's what I got. ONDS, Ondas Holdings. That's what I'm looking at. It's what I like. Check it out. Let's see your comments, questions. I'll put that research report on the Discord, on the website. Also email it out to you. Have a great day. Live loud. Peace.